Ashley Mallet is the person whom I think of when you think of off spinners, because he played against us in Australia 67-68 when we toured, even though the excellent successful tour for me. But the way in which he played in India, he took 27 wickets in 4 tests, I think. He was the highest wicket spin bowler, even though I took 26. But the way in which he bowled, he showed that he has lot more capabilities than what actually people think of. He's the most unassuming off spinner that I have ever come across. No dominance, nothing. And ball is given to him, he knows he has to bowl well. And never showed aggression any time, but the fact of the matter is he was there all along among the wickets. And at times when the Australian pace bowlers were struggling, he was an off spinner who used to give the break which the Australian bowling attack required. And he reminded me more of my own colleague Venkat. I think Venkat and Ashley Mallet had almost similar approach to the bowling department as off spinners. And he also had variations like Venkat. He had an arm ball which was bowled with the shoulder. No one could make out that he's pushing the shoulder towards the first slip, but the ball is to drift away after pitching on the off stump. But the revolution of the ball indicated that it may come in. So that was his deception. The ball had that sizzling sort of a thing, intention of the ball coming in, but if you attempt to play forward, the ball is to leave and go. And I'm impressed with that fellow's bowling only because of the fact that he, like when he played in India, he proved the best spinner that both teams had. And on the contrary, people are talking about Indian spinners all the time being best. But I was very impressed with his bowling, to be very honest, because as a human being, he is extremely kind, extremely good. And knowledge, I think his knowledge, cricketing brain, he had so much. And I'm sure over the years, people must have realized that he was an excellent coach too. He has helped Australian cricket in many ways, and especially for spinners. I think he was always there with them to help them how to go about, and is prepared to extend any support to any youngsters. The last time I met him was when I was in Australia somewhere in mid-80s or whatever it is. He was there in Adelaide Cricket Council, whatever it is, coaching youngsters, and how to take the ball away, how to bowl. And so, relatively speaking, people might be of some opinion of him, but as an off spinner myself, I rate him as one of the few very good off spinners who have played this game in our era.